don't get the concept of it. That's like me getting upset with my friend because he likes football and I like basketball. And yes, basketball is better. But no. But basketball is better. But if he's like, yo, basketball's trash, and I'm like, all right, cool, I'm just going to debate him. Okay, this is weird. I want to know what's happening with this freaking volume. Market's open in 30 seconds. I want to watch this. See, yeah, me and Daniel, we can have a conversation. He likes Lakers and they're trash. I still look at Daniel as a person. You know what I'm saying? Even though he likes the Lakers that are trash, I still look at him as a person. I'm a thumper. All right, here it goes. I gotta see this. I gotta see this out. I gotta see this out. I'm sorry if I know you guys would have made money on this. I can't take a trade that I'm not 100% on. I can't call a trade that I'm not 100%. I know the tool and all the different type of stuff. I can't call a trade that I'm not 100% on. So I'm sorry if I made you guys not make any money right now. I couldn't back it. I don't like it. I think they're going to tank. Yeah, no. Yeah, golds and perps are for you guys. For me, I play anything I want. But I play stuff that I'm familiar with. You took yours and dipped? So you see what US 30 did? That's what I was banking on. I didn't know if they were going to rise though. That's the dangerous part. Is you don't know if they're going to give you this. They could have just tanked. So you don't know that. So I can't put your guys' money on the line for that. Could we take a gamble and be like, yeah, we could have took a gamble, but that's your guys' money. I can't do that. Like, this is weird. SPX is going a direction. NAS is in consolidation. US 30's up. This is appreciate you guys riding with me though. Yes, I know you guys would have made money. I'm sorry. I couldn't put my back in behind it. All right, guys, we can hit SPX. 34 seconds, SPX. They're following now, so we are good. Get ready for SPX. 25 seconds, if they give it to us. 22 seconds. If they give it to us. Nope, they didn't give it to us. Yeah, I couldn't. I mean, I love seeing the tool work though. I love that part. But I couldn't put everything on that. Ain't that pretty dope though? Even through my uncertainty on this trade, the tool still works. Isn't that crazy? They really just not trying to let us in that SPX though. All right. We just gotta wait it out. See what they about to do. What is going on? Oh, also for those of you guys that didn't see the message, Stripe is on some BS. So just go and get your money back from the bank, so you don't have to wait, because they're trying to make you guys wait like 6 months. At the same time, not letting me refund anybody. For those of you guys that bought on the launch date. Those of you guys that went through WAP, don't do that, because then it would ruin our relationship with the merchant account. So, for those of you guys that were on that list, yeah, for those of you guys, yeah, call up your bank. They'll give it back to you. And then what it'll do is it'll take it out of my account. It pretty much will force it out of the account. Because right now Stripe sent me a message and said they're not refunding it, and they're also not giving the money out. They're basically keeping it. Ain't that crazy? Yeah, if you're in WAP, you're fine. WAP is fine. Kajabi is fine. If you guys paid the second payment, which was Kajabi and WAP, you guys are fine. If you guys were part of the first day crew, you know, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, everybody got in, everything. I already put the list, the name in there. All those names are the ones that they didn't refund, and they said they're not going to. Then I read all the reviews. Stripe does that, and then you gotta send a lawyer. For all my new people, what's going on? Welcome to VG. We have not played the first position yet. Who the hell do you think they are? They're Stripe, one of the biggest merchant accounts in the game. They just do whatever they want. So yeah, y'all just call up your banks. Don't worry about any of the fees that charge the account. I'll cover all the fees. Are there still spots open? Yeah, for today only. You gotta the links. You gotta pay today, and then it's shut down today. It's shut down after this day. We start tomorrow at 12. See? Oh, gracias. Until when? What? For those of you guys that are going to be hitting the chargeback on Stripe, don't worry, your spots are fine. You're going to be in the chats, and when you guys get your guys' money back or whatever, then you guys go ahead and pay. When will the private spots be opened up again? I think March or April, probably April. Oh, also, guys, for the private squad, we're going to be doing your guys' own competitions as well, too. I don't know if I told you guys yet. Ashu, I already wrote what you need to do. Oh, I see yours, Ashu. It should be that top one. I'll go check. Let me check for you real quick. Yeah, sorry guys that we had to go through all this. We made a lot of money, and so Stripe doesn't like that. When you're a new company, they only want you to make like $2,000 in the beginning, and we passed that. So then they was like, blah 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 blah, and then I was like blah 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 blah, and then they were like blah, and then I was like blah, and then we just and then yeah. All right, let's see where you're at. Okay, you're on this page. Yes, the top one, the 377. I'm sending you a picture. Gogo, are you on here right now? If you're on here right now, will that work? I just wrote you right now. If that will work, then we could try that. Okay. All right. Okay, so we got some SPX dropping. Let's see if we can get us a play for a drop. Gracias. We got over here. All right, Nat. Okay, SPX is dropping them draws. We got D-Los too. We got D-Los. Let's see if we got any 10-minute plays. Oh, we got D-Los over here. We got D-Los on a 10-minute. Appreciate it, Daniel. We got D-Los happening. What else we got? Oh, look at that. Oh, shoot. Is that a perp on the 30-minute? What do you mean? They perp on the 30? On the 30? No, that's 30. That's one. That's a 30-minute perp off? I don't know if I'm ready for a 30-minute perp off. I don't know. SBX is showing its true colors. So don't be afraid. How you guys feeling? We're just waiting. Just keep waiting. Just keep waiting. Just keep waiting, waiting, waiting. What do? We wait. We're waiting, waiting. Your guys' patience is so well. Appreciate you guys so much. What do? We wait. We're waiting, waiting. So much waiting. Yeah, because what's it called? Election. Election was yesterday. Well, this morning. So it's a lot of pips are out there. Whole lot. So that's why today you don't want to go, like today's solo play should be really, really good. You guys are going to hit TP when you guys actually get plays. You guys are going to hit TPs with ease because there's so many pips out there. No. VG is perfect on election. Shoot, I didn't even take these and they pretty much all won. Coach, I caught GA, GBP, and ZD on Sci-Fi, made 100. Let's go! Hey! How you guys loving that Sci-Fi? Sci-Fi is crazy, right? Sci-Fi is it's the game, right? Sci-Fi is wild, right? As soon as I start driving home, we are going to get a play. This thing has to drop some more for us to get a play. Because they didn't give us any cells. I was hoping for some cells because I wanted these cells. But they didn't give us anything. Wait, what do you mean there's only 134 likes? Get them likes up, guys. Okay. Also, if you guys go into the Discord, you will see a calendar. For those of you guys that are ready for the privates, get ready. We start also the BG solo play with me tomorrow as well too. So I hope you guys are ready. I've been getting everything ready for you guys over this past couple of weeks. Philip. Yeah, so it's about to get crazy. Also, if you guys go into the Discord, there's a calendar for my people in the privates. Put a 1 in the chat if you are part of the private squad. Make sure you guys get used to the calendar. Don't worry, we'll get alerts. Make sure you guys get used to the calendar. That's what it looks like. If you look over here, it has the events. You're going to click on the events and you're going to add yourself to it so that you can get alerts. See how this right here is happening right now? All right. You're going to add yourself to the events. Which one you guys can come to? We're going to be doing 2 live sessions a day, but we're going to also have a replay room. And then we're going to also have a homework room where you guys can do homework together in there as well too. So I hope you guys are ready for this. We got a whole community in there that's about to this thing is about to get crazy. We got a whole community. Oh, y'all didn't know that there was going to be some homework hangouts. Basically, you guys can get in there, share y'all screens, work with each other. All good stuff. I'll hop in there, talk to you guys, work with you guys on your guys' stuff. Yeah. Manny. EST, yep. I believe so. I don't know if it switches. I don't know. Recaps are going to be on Friday. Homework's going to be dished out each day. The best way... Ooh. Look at that. This is the drop that I wanted. Guys, this is why I said we couldn't play in the beginning, because this is the drop that is expected. And you guys are going to learn that in video 48. This is the drop that is expected, just didn't know when it was going to happen. So if market open gave us a drop, we would have got destroyed. So I'm sorry, guys. I know y'all don't mean to apologize, but no, there was a special reason why. Let me actually just show it to you guys. All right, let me show it to you guys. All right. Let's just say the market dropped from this area to here, this distance right here. Do y'all know how much you would have lost? Because right now, since the elections, everything is overboard. From all the way up here to here is 2,000 pips. So imagine if they would have hit very, very fast. You know what? Let me put it in a different perspective. Let me go and zoom in here. This one bar here for market open, if it would have shot down, is almost 2,000 pips in 1 minute. I can't risk your guys' money on that on one day when we have easier and better days than this. Now, do you guys kind of understand? We're not playing regular candles. The market went over 13,000 pips in a day on US 30, the first time in years. Which means each one of these candles, watch this, here goes, it's about to really mess you up. Each one of these candles is almost 500 pips in one freaking minute. Each one of these. We got to be cautious on these X's. That means when an X pops up, on average, we lose at about 1,500. When there are easier and better days. So that's why I couldn't take that risk. Because if it was wrong, we don't want to be losing 1,500 on a wrong play. When usually on average, the risk on a 1 minute is usually 250 to 400 pips. Y'all see the difference there? So what we're going to do is we're going to be patient. We're going to get plays, but we had to get out of the way first. Yeah, Daniel, and the thing is, if you guys would have played like how I taught you guys last week, you've been fine, but you already know, Daniel, there are some over leveragers on the call. You guys would have lost everything. If we would have lost that thing, if they did not give us this here, we would have lost, you would have lost everything. All right, what we got? SPX. Yeah, I'm almost to the point where I'm seriously about to call it for today. I don't even think I want to trade. I just know there's easier days. This thing is overbought. Hey guys, y'all gonna hate me today? I mean, y'all not. I want to call today a draw. There's easier days than this. This is probably one of the only days that I've been on with you guys. I don't know where this thing's going. Can we scalp it and make money? But the scalping risk all of this. This is too big of a risk for just one target here. I don't know. I just, there's easier days than this. Like, look at this. The pullback here is literally 100 pips on SPX to the first one, to the absolute first one. I don't know, man. I'm closing my laptop. I'm gonna let this just simmer out. I'm not. So my newest people, we usually don't ever call off like this. I'm gonna let them just fizzle out. Yo, like look, JJ, look how big this pullback section is. That's 100 pips per each one. That's a lot. And here's the worst part, JJ. We have buys. And if I zoom out, let me go over here. We got buys. If I zoom out, look how much the range has already went. We're at the top. We're at the top part. Just to get 25, I'm not risking that. I'm good. There's easier days. We've traded easier days in this. All right, guys. I'm gonna let you guys choose if you guys want to keep VG solo play. I'm gonna let you guys choose if you guys want to. I'm not playing today. Unless they give me a good sell, I'm really not playing today. This thing is high. This thing is very, very high. All right, nice. Hey guys, make sure you guys hit that link. We got a competition coming up. Get ready, cash prizes. We're gonna be doing a competition pretty much every month that you guys can make more money. Hit that link, get your account right now. Put done in the chat if you guys already got your account already. Yeah, Michelle, I'm done for today. I'm not even gonna trade. F that. I'm not giving my money back. Nope. Not happening. For one day, shoot, we got BG, sci-fi, and all stuff like that forever. So we good. Put it done in the chat if you guys have already got your account. Hit that link right here. Hit that link. Start up. Get your because that's the broker that we're gonna be using. That broker is going to record all of your guys' trades, percentages, and everything. Oh, we about to make this like the Olympics. Also, so that you guys can get like a understanding of how the first competition is going to go. The cutoff is 1,000 people, so only 1,000 people is going to be involved and everything. But it's not just only 3 winners. There's going to be levels. Oh, and the best part, Jaco, the minimum deposit is $100, $100 and $200, and it's off a percentage. So you can start with 200, but if you make 1%, you make 1 point. Then we're going to be opening up by next year the $1,000 room and the $10,000 room as well too. The link is pinned. I want to try to fill you guys with no Diddy. I want to can't even say anything no more. I want you guys to have competitions going like every week that you guys can opt in with your accounts. Like, I want you to think about this, Victoria. You started an account of $1,000. You didn't win the competition, but your account of $1,000 is now at $2,000. You're still in the you're still good. But maybe the next competition is 500. Take out 500 of that and go join the next competition. You see how that works? It's not like you're buying the competition. You already have money in the account already. Y'all see that? That's crazy, right? That's wild, right? You already got an account, Andrew. Oh shoot, this competition is 1,000. Let me go take 1,000 out of that account, move it into another account, and there we go. I'm in that competition. And you can keep doing this over and over and over. Imagine what that will be in the next year. Andrew wins the competition. Now he has even more money in there. He can go join up other competitions as well too. Take that money out, take coach to get some stake. You know what I'm saying? He can do whatever he wants with it. Now for all of you guys that are on the call, guys, the markets are going to be a little bit funky for this month and next month. Get ready. Doesn't mean that we're going to stop trading. We're not going to stop trading. We're going to still make money. But only play for sci-fis, gold, and perp chirps from now until February of next year. I think standard is the one I got. Standard is the zero spread, right? Hey, Nesquick, you're on here, right? Standard is the oh yeah, guys, they have like no spread, and this doesn't mean to you don't have to get rid of Sway. I'm not getting rid of Sway. I'm just having another broker. You can never have too many brokers. I got what, 4? I got 4 brokers. So yeah, guys, make sure you guys, I'm gonna stay here until you guys all get it. You can't find it, it's in the description link. It's pinned. Let me do it again. I got you guys. There you go. Hey mods, take that. Yeah, I think I did standard too. Also, Ross Reds. So for sci-fi would be amazing. Oh, $3 per lot. Hey yo. Appreciate you, Nestle Quick, for posting that. Yo, $3 per lot, guys. Y'all guys know normal is $6 per lot. Standard account. Ooh.